What if a train could run without diesel and release only water instead of smoke? India is making this a reality with its first hydrogen powered train. Let's find out what makes this train so special and why it could change the future of railway travel. India's first hydrogen powered train is a major step towards clean and green transportation. Unlike diesel trains, this train uses hydrogen fuel cells to produce electricity. Inside the fuel cell, hydrogen reacts with oxygen from the air. This process creates electricity to run the train. The best part? The only byproduct is water vapor. There is no harmful smoke and almost zero carbon emissions during operation. This train has around 10 passenger coaches and can carry around 2,600 passengers. Most hydrogen passenger trains around the world have only 2 or 3 coaches. That makes India's trains one of the longest hydrogen-powered passenger train in the world. The train is expected to run on the Jind Sonipat railway route in Haryana. So, how do we differentiate it from an electric train? Electric trains need overhead electric wires across the railway track. Hydrogen trains do not. They generate their own electricity using hydrogen fuel cells, making them suitable for routes where electric lines are not available. India's hydrogen trains are now being built at the Integral Coach factory in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. This hydrogen technology is developed with support from Alstom, a global railway company. Hydrogen-powered trains are generally more quieter, cleaner, and more environmentally friendly than diesel trains. They also reduce pollution and help India move towards a greener future. India's first hydrogen train is more than just a new train. It is a big leap towards cleaner transportation and sustainable technology. If this technology is successful, we may soon see more hydrogen trains running across the country. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.